Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad tutorial, so let's get cracking. Today we have got a Tinkercad challenge. Watch this. Of course, you can make a copy. I'm going to simply hit Tinker this. Now, of course, since I'm launching it, that means we've got a new link. Once again, your creations. Here is the awesome link from Lester, and let's put it in place. Once again, from 83, we are now up to 84 links. Once again, thanks, Lester, for participating. If you want to join in on the fun, it is super simple. You can visit my website, HLModTech.com. And if you visit the Tinkercad page, go right down the middle and you will find the Tinkercad Chain Project. Of course, when you visit, reactions are always appreciated. This video teaches you how to make a gradient link. This video is where you share it. And if you need to learn how to share, you can watch this video right here. As an added bonus, you can also tag it with HLMT23 so I see it almost immediately. One more super cool bonus, if you hit copy and tinker, you'll be able to check out all of the amazing links that are in the project. So today's challenge is going to be to try and open this in SimLab. I do not want to break my original one, so I'm going to click the properties button and choose duplicate. To speed this up, I already did that, so right now I can hit tinker this. And if you check this out, you'll also notice it is floating and we have got SimLab connectors. Now, some users, when they made their chain links, did not give me holes for the chain links. They're just things in the way. So you'll notice I've got extra connectors in here to hold those in place. These are pivot connectors. When you click them, you can see that they are connected to car A, and this one would be the awesome fancy bear link. These connectors are just connected to the sky and the shape. So I have got the entire chain hooked up and ready to test in SimLab. Of course, we did get a brand new link today. I'm going to go to my creations and I'm going to bring that one out. I'm going to cruise it right on this shape. Let's see if we can. Oh, of course, I'll quickly spin, twist, and drop this in place. Now, friends, here's where it gets crazy. When this loads, it's still working on it because there's so many parts. We are going to take it to SimLab just to see if we can get 84 links to work in a single project. All right, friends, so it is finally finished loading. I will let you know I added all these parts later. I am getting a node fails to load. I am not too worried about it. Let's just head to SimLab and let me show you what happens here. So the first thing you'll notice is that Tinkercad seems to die. I'm going to just hit wait as it tries to load this beast. I'm not going to show you all the waits, but I will let you know how many times I had to hit wait to get it to load. That would be number 3. And today, after only 4 waits, it is loading. Notice the geometry is snapping into place for these awesome designs. This is what it looks like when Tinkercad is calculating the new geometry. Notice the design by the fungus is a tricky one. The first time I loaded this, these took forever, but that was a day ago. While I'm waiting for that geometry, let's grab a pivot connector, set it right on top of this link, then grab a handle and connect it to the link. I could leave this floating, but I am going to drag this up into the sky because I found sometimes that doesn't stick. Another nice thing about SimLab these days is we can click on a link and do Control-C and Control-V. And then you can use the arrows to move it where you needed to put it. It just was really efficient as I was building this. Of course, I can now link these even though I did not need to, just so it gives a little bit more strength in our project. Once again, I am still waiting patiently for this geometry to snap into place. And there it is, finally snapping into place. Just to let you know, I did switch it to polystyrene, and that seems to have sped up the process. That said, we've still been sitting here 5 minutes waiting for this to be ready for us to test. And friends, there it is. Are you ready for this? 84 links, pivot connectors, SimLab, let's go. Check that out. Did not think it would be possible, but yes, they are all up there, suspended in the sky, still trying to get to 100 links. Of course, I want to send a huge shout out to everybody that has joined in, and oh my gosh, isn't that cool? Once again, because it's SimLab, we can back it up, change the angle, hit play, and rewatch till our heart's content. I'm going to launch this one more time, and this time let's see what happens when we shoot a couple throwables at it. There goes a pig. I put it right between it. There's a pie. What a fun project. Absolutely blows my mind we can get these projects all together and they work in SimLab. Once again, a little bit of patience, click wait, and bam. Now don't forget, when you hit copy and tinker, you could do all these same things as well. Friends, as I wrap up, I just want to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. I've got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of awesome categories. And then below that, you can find my day one favorites and also useful starters. And then finally, the Tinkercad essentials. Friends, also at the bottom corner, I want to share the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. Lastly, friends, don't forget the Tinkercad Community Discord. As you can see, we've got more than 700 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.